everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, you guys are joining me in my super tiny laundry room. This place is a disaster. It is so disorganized, messy. Every time I walk in here, I'm like, oh my god, I need to get to it at some point. So today's the day. We're gonna be organizing it and giving it a little bit of a room makeover. So as you guys can see, I have things everywhere, all over my counters and floors. I've really used this area as a place to just shove things in here and close the door so no one sees it. So it's time to get organized and really figure out solutions for all of this. This video is kind of a continuation of my last video, my come shop with me at HomeGoods, because I showed you guys what I was looking for this laundry room, looking for different organization things around HomeGoods, styling things for the wall. So I found a bunch of stuff. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what I got from HomeGoods, what I'm adding to this space for more organization, and then we'll go ahead and get started. So the first two things that I got at HomeGoods that really inspired the look of this room are these canisters, and I'm gonna be using these to hide my Tide Pods in so that I don't have that ugly packaging on my counters. So these are great because I can decorate but organize at the same time, and I can just load these up with my Tide Pods. They're easy to open. I'm really working with this blue color as my little punch of color in here to kind of make it more fun, and then warming it up with this wood tone. I'm gonna be using baskets, wood, that kind of thing. So these really were like the inspiration for this entire room. And then I found this little $5 basket from HomeGoods, and I'm gonna be using this again to hide packaging. So I'm gonna be using this to hide my dryer sheets because the colors of the orange and the green are just like really throwing everything off in here, and it's looking a little messy and tacky to me. So I'm gonna throw that box inside this basket so it's hidden. You don't see that anymore. It's gonna work with my little canisters. That way I can keep all the things that I use regularly out, but they look decorative at the same time. So that's kind of my goal here, to organize and decorate at the same time. Then when I was really set on that blue color, I went and found this really cute print. It actually comes with two, and they're already framed. They're like little VW buses, and they have that perfect blue color that matches the canisters. They also have that warm kind of vintage tone to them, so that's really gonna help mix in the woods and the baskets that I found, and I just think they're gonna be so fun in the laundry room. I also love that they're not laundry room themed, and they're kind of like their own little look. So I think with these on the wall, this room's gonna look really cute. And then I know this has nothing to do with organization, but I think it's gonna be a really cute touch in the laundry room. It's an amber linen spray. So I thought before I fold everything and put everything away in its own little basket, I can spray it with this little amber linen spray, and it just makes everything smell so nice and fresh. Plus, I think the packaging works with all the things I found and will look really nice on the counter. So I'm really excited by this. I've already used it because I just got too excited and sprayed it around my house. So I think it's really, really subtle. It's not too strong at all, and it just smells really warm. Then I stopped at Ross Dress for Less to pick up some more organizational items. They have great deals there. So first thing I picked up was this circle basket, and I'm gonna be using this to carry my clean clothes from the dryer to my bedroom. And then while it's not being used, it can be put away or left out. I got it for the look of it, so if it's left out, I won't mind because it all matches and it's gonna look really cute. Then I found some more bins from Ross, and I was looking for something to hold my big bed sheets. I have so many white sheets in this house, and I really need to organize them and separate them by size. So I'm just gonna separate the sheets in these two big baskets so that they're organized, put away, but then, you know, the color still matches with everything else. And then lastly, I got these clear containers. They're actually meant for kitchen organization, but I really like them because they have little pulls on them. They're clear. You can see exactly what's inside of them. I love clear containers because you can really see what you're grabbing at, and it still makes everything look clean. All right, now that you guys have seen everything that I'm working with, let's go ahead and get organizing. So to start, I'm gonna get all of this bedding off of the floor and out of the way because I can't really move around in here with all of this here. These are huge king-size duvets, and I really need to figure out a solution to store them and put them away properly because right now they have nowhere to go. So I'm gonna be starting over here with this little built-in unit and designating this cupboard as my extra sheet cupboard. So right now it has sheets, extra blankets, it has another duvet. Like, these duvets are so big and hard to store. But yeah, I'm gonna be separating everything into two bins and getting them put away. so this is how I organize this cupboard over here. This is all my bedding stuff. So I have all of the white sheets in this basket here. They're all just rolled or folded. And then I have the extra blankets and bedding in here. And then down here is kind of my pillow area. I have all of my pillowcases in this little container here that I can pull out easily, and they're all just folded on top of each other. And then I just stacked my 2 extra pillows in here so they're easy to grab at, and you can grab a pillowcase right beside it. So now when you open up this cupboard, it looks so much better, so much more organized. You can tell where everything is. If myself or a guest needs a pillowcase, extra pillow, bedding, everything is so much easier to find. Now this top drawer doesn't really have much in it. I'm just gonna find a new place to put all of this stuff, and I think I'm gonna designate this top drawer as a toilet paper drawer and just have all of my toilet paper laid out just in case any other bathroom needs some extra. They can grab it from this big drawer. And now this whole bottom area of this built-in unit is super user-friendly. We have a designated toilet drawer, which I've never seen before, but I love the visual display of it, and it's so easy to grab at. And now onto the top surface area. I'm gonna be organizing and putting away the Tide Pods, dryer sheets, and just really styling and organizing this whole area. So this is what it used to look like, having the packaging out, really bright colors, plasticky, compared to this. This looks amazing. It literally looks like a little hotel room setup. I have all of my Tide Pods in here. So now they're all nicely put away in there with a nice lid on top. And then I have this extra big one to put more when I buy another pack. And then I love this idea of putting the dryer sheets in a basket. I just put a towel down that I'm not really gonna be using elsewhere, just to have the dryer sheets on top of so that they're not directly touching the basket, and it just makes it look nice and clean and puffy. But now I can just grab a dryer sheet easily and it just looks so much more decorative. I also put the linen spray right beside, so now I have all the like smell good things over here, everything's put away over there, and now I think I might hang my wall art. Oh wow, what a huge difference that makes. That makes this look so nice in here, and now this is all pretty, so look at that together. And then down here, my baskets match my decor on top. Every time I do this, I'm like, why have I not done this a long time ago? Okay, these look so cute up there. They totally tie in all the colors and just really give a nice like vacation vibe in here, which is kind of nice because laundry is so not like being on vacation. So now that this whole area is looking really good, time to move on over here and clean up this whole area. You're so annoying. Kristen! Alright, so I managed to fit a bunch of different things into this cabinet. I organized my beach towels, having them all laid out kind of like Marie Kondo style so I can see them all and grab them easily. And then over here I use my little shelf racks, and I find these so easy to work with. I can just hook them onto a shelf, the door closes, and then everything stays in its own place. So I have pillowcases, more pillowcases, even more pillowcases, like this is crazy. And then I have all my little washcloth cleaning towels, so now this whole area is all filled up. And then over here I just have these contained in this container. They are these little life straws. They're just gonna stay in this bin tucked away so that they're not kind of looking messy. But yeah, this is looking really good and organized, so time to move on to this cabinet. I'm probably gonna designate this cabinet as mostly towels because we have so many towels and I'm running out of space in our bathroom for it, so I'm probably gonna try and stack these really nicely in there and have that be our extra towel cabinet. So now in this cupboard I have all of my towels neatly folded and put away. I have room for more, and I have all my little tea towels in this little container so I can grab it that really easily as well. And then just on top of the washing machine I put this little laundry basket, so this is going to be useful but then also really decorative and helps kind of even out the color across the room. And the last thing I had to put away were my comforters, and they ended up there because that was the only big enough space for them. I decided to tie my extra yarn around them and roll them up like sleeping bags, and I think it looks okay up there. I feel like that's my only place in the house to really put them, and at least it's not at your eye level, so for now I don't really need them on my everyday basis, so up there is perfectly fine for me. So everything is looking super organized. I'm almost done. The last little finishing touch I'm going to do is hang this little yarn macrame thing I made a while ago. I don't really know where else in the house I'm going to put it, and I think the colors really match in here, and yeah, I think it helps tie together all the little circles, and you know, it's just a little piece to hang up on this wall right here, and then we're almost done. Alright guys, the laundry room is completely done and organized. It actually didn't take me long at all, so just makes me think again I should have done that a long time ago, but it's finally looking really organized, clean, open, bright, and actually decorated now. So I'm really excited to show you guys what this looks like. You guys remember the disastrous mess it used to look like? Let's just do a little flashback real quick. I really let that get way out of order, and there was just no room to even walk around or even fold clothes, so it didn't feel like much of a laundry room. But wait till you guys see what I did to the room now. It looks so good. That's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing how I organize this laundry room and give it a little makeover. I absolutely love the way it turned out, especially this cute little corner over here. I feel like every room needs a cute little corner, and I got mine in my laundry room. So I hope my little organizing ideas can help you guys organize your laundry rooms. I love the idea of putting Tide Pods or your detergent into little canisters like I did. Hiding all the branding and packaging just like really helps make your room look amazing and clean and organized. So now this room looks all pretty and ready to go. I'm so glad I did this. It did not take long at all, so I definitely encourage you guys to organize your laundry room because I'm sure a lot of you guys have some messy laundry rooms like I did. Hopefully I was not the only one out there that had it like that, because that was bad. Anyways, if you guys enjoyed this video, please give this video a big thumbs up and hit that like button for me, and let me know down below in the comments if you guys want to see more organization videos or more room makeover videos. They are totally my favorite to do, so let me know down below if you guys want to see more of those. If you guys haven't already, make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel. Click the red subscribe button down below and make sure you guys have my notifications turned on so you guys never miss a video. Love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!